हाय डियर स्टूडेंट, मैं इंसान अली लेक्चरर सुहागी देवी माध्यमिक विद्यालय इंटरमीडिएट कॉलेज इलाहाबाद। बिफोर इट द प्रीवियस online classes I have teach you to join two or more simple sentences into one compound sentences, and in previous classes you have read how many types of coordinate conjunction, how many words in every conjunction. You have read before it that there are four types of coordinate conjunction: cumulative conjunction, adversative conjunction, elative conjunction. So today I will teach you how adding two conjunction, cumulative and adversative. By adding of two conjunction, we have to learn how to add two or more simple sentences into one compound sentence. Before it, in the previous online classes, I have teach you that how many types of coordinating conjunction, and by the help of conjunction and by the help of relative pronoun and relative adverb, we have to join two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence. So first of all, by the help of cumulative conjunction, we have to add we have to join two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence, and after then by the help of adversative conjunction, we have to add two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence. So please listen carefully what I say. By the use of cumulative conjunction, and which words are cumulative conjunction? In my previous classes, I have already told you about cumulative conjunction, and as well as so is not, and as well as not only but also, both, and these are the words of cumulative conjunction. So first example, the guard whistled, and second sentence, the train started. So by the help of cumulative conjunction, we have to join two or more simple sentences into one compound sentence. So the guard whistled and the train started. Here and is cumulative conjunction. By the help of cumulative conjunction, we have to join two or more simple sentences into one compound sentence. The next example, he is a poet, he is a dramatist. He is as well as a poet and a dramatist. Here as well as cumulative conjunction, and you can also add these sentences into one compound sentence by other cumulative words, as well as he is both a poet and a dramatist. Both and these are cumulative conjunctions word. He is both a poet and a dramatist, and by the help of not only but also you can add these two sentences into one compound sentence, as well as he is a poet, he is a dramatist. Now the next method, you can add these sentences into one compound sentence. He is not only a poet but also a dramatist. Now come to the other examples. He is not only a poet but also a dramatist. Come to the other examples. William Shakespeare was a novelist. He was a poet. Here are two sentences. William Shakespeare was a novelist, he was a poet. Now, by the help of cumulative conjunction and, William Shakespeare was a novelist and a poet. In this way, you can add these two sentences into one compound sentence, and also the other words. William Shakespeare was both a novelist and a poet. In this way, you can add these two sentences into one compound sentence. And now, William Shakespeare was a novelist as well as a poet. Now, not only but also, William Shakespeare was not only a poet but also novelist. But also a poet. So in this way, you have to join two or more simple sentences into one compound sentence by the help of cumulative conjunction. Now, the second conjunction, adversative conjunction. These are the conjunctions who are against each sentence. If you have found two sentences, then one sentence is against the second sentence. As well as he is poor, he is happy. Poor and happy is against each other. So he is poor but He is happy. Here, what is adversative conjunction? You are rich. You are miser. Here, miser and rich are against each other. You are rich, but you are miser. It you can also add it, but are it are it. So in this way you have to add two or more simple sentences into one compound sentence. And the next example, I shall not oppose your design. I cannot approve of it. So I shall not oppose your design. However, is adversative conjunction. So by the help of adversative conjunction, however, these two sentences are joined into one compound sentence. I shall not oppose your design, however, I cannot approve of it. So by the help of cumulative conjunction and adversative conjunction, you have to add two or more simple sentences into one compound sentence. And now in the next video I will teach you how relative conjunction, by the help of relative conjunction, by the help of relative pronoun, and by the help of relative adverb, how to join two or more simple sentences into one compound sentence. Thank you.